So over here we have the gluteus medius. Over here we have the gluteus maximus. Over here we have the tensor fascia latae. And then over here we have the bicep femoris. So right here we have the gastrocnemius. Over here we have the soleus. Over here we have the proneus longus. And then right over here with the red pin, we have the extensor digitorum longus. And then the white pen over here shows the tibialis cranialis. So over here, we have the adductor femoris. And then over here with this black pen, it shows the sartorius. So right here with the green pen, it shows the iliacus. And then over here, the white pen shows the psoas major. And then the blue pen shows the psoas minor. The red pen over here shows the pectineus. The black pen right here shows the abductor longus. Yellow pen right here shows the abductor femoris. And then the black pen over here shows the semimembraneus. And then if you can see the pink pen right here shows the semitendinosus. This pink pen over here shows the vastus lateralis. The blue pen over here shows the rectus femoris. The red pen over here shows the vastus intermedius. The green pin over here shows the vastus medialis. If we go over here, the white pin shows the gracilis. And then if you go to the yellow pin, it shows the sartorius. So over here, this pink pin right here shows the gastrocnemius. If we go inside, this blue pin right here shows the plantarius. This white pin right here shows the flexor digitorum longus. Yellow pin over here shows the tibialis cranialis. This white pin over here shows the epitrochlearis. This white pin over here shows the splenius. So over here for the pink pin, we have the intercostalis externus. Over here for the red pin, we have the spinalis dorsi. Over here for the green pin, we have the longissimus dorsi. And over here for the blue pin, we have the lumbodorsal fascia. And then over here for the yellow pin, we have the multifidus spinae. Then over here for the white pin, we have the 3 bundles of the longissimus dorsi. So over here for the pink pin, we have the external oblique. Over here for the green pin, we have the internal oblique. Then over here for the red pin, we have the transverse abdominis.
So first off here we have the brachioradialis. Next up is the extensor carpiradialis longus, extensor digitorum communis, extensor digitorum lateralis, extensor carpi ulnaris. Okay. Right here we have the flexor carpi ulnaris. Here we have the flexor digitorum superficialis. Next up is the flexor carpi radialis, and back behind that is the protonator teres. So first off, this is the brachialis. Then we have the lateral head of the triceps brachialis, and then the long head of the triceps brachialis. So right here we have the brachialis. Moving over, we have the triceps branchii medial head, triceps branchii lateral head, and triceps branchii long head. So here we have the epitroctor. That's how you say it. Next we have right here is the anconius. This is the biceps branchii, and right over here is the corpus brachialis. So first off here we have the brachioradialis. Next up is the extensor carpiradialis longus, extensor digitorum communis, extensor digitorum lateralis, extensor carpi ulnaris. Okay. Right here we have the flexor carpi ulnaris. Here we have the flexor digitorum superficialis. Next up is the flexor carpi radialis, and back behind that is the protonator teres. So first off, this is the brachialis. Then we have the lateral head of the triceps brachialis, and then the long head of the triceps brachialis. So right here we have the brachialis. Moving over, we have the triceps branchii medial head, triceps branchii lateral head, and triceps branchii, long head. So here we have the epitroctor. It's so excited. Next we have right here is the anconius. This is the biceps branchii, and right over here is the corpus brachialis. So here we have the spinodeltoid. Moving on, we have the actimiodeltoid, and then the levator, scapulae, ventralis. So right here we have the spinotrapezius. Next we have the actimiotrapezius, the clavotrapezius, and then down here we have the clavobrachialis. So both these have been cut, but I think these are the scalenes. This is the transverse costorum, and this is the serratus dorsalis.
So important.